Consecutive angles. Angles that share a common side and a vertex. So, ibig sabihin, kung i-drawing natin to, ito yung angle pair, yung magkatabi. At sometimes, it uses algebraic expressions. Yung combining like terms and most consecutive angles added up to 180. So, supplementary siya. Pero, nagkakataon na parallel siya pero hindi siya supplementary. Pag hindi siya nag-add up to 180, hindi siya supplementary pero parallel siya. Kasi may traversal o may lines that intersecting them. Diba? Sa consecutive angles, uso na may traversal o may naghahati sa kanila into two or more lines pa. So again, in order for us to understand angles, especially in quadrilaterals, kailangan maintindihan natin yung consecutive angles. No? Ayan, consecutive angles na tayo. Kung kahapon, naano natin yung practical application ng angles, ngayon naman, into geometric shapes, lalo na quadrilaterals and trapezoids. So, ayan. Ganun lang natin, yan ang topic natin ngayon. Sabado, no? Meron tayong inaano sa math. Pero maganda dahil birthday ni Kobe na epitome ng kasipagan, dapat ganito rin tayo. So, yun lang pa.